Hey YouTube family, welcome back to the video. I hope you guys are doing extremely well. So friends, in this video I will discuss 20 most important and frequently asked MCQs of unit number 1, Fundamental of DC circuit of subject code ECE249. So friends, before proceeding to videos, I want to let you one thing. I will make the videos of all the 3 units, and in each videos I will discuss 20 most important questions. Okay, so do not miss any one of the questions, and all the 60 questions which I will discuss is important according to your upcoming examination point of view. So without wasting any time, let's proceed with the first question. But before proceeding to the questions, I want to request one thing. Do subscribe the channel and share all these videos in your class group so that every friends and every your classmates can take the advantage of these videos. Okay. So now proceed with the first question. What is the unit of electrical resistance? Option is volt, ampere, ohm, and option number D is watt. Okay, correct option of this question is option number C, which is ohm. Second number question. Which of the following components stores electrical energy in a DC circuit? Option number A, resistor. Option number B, inductor. Option number C, capacitor. And last option is voltage source. And the correct option is option number C, which is capacitor. Question number 3. Ohm's law relates which of the following quantities in a circuit? Option number A, voltage and current. Option number B, voltage and resistance. Option number C, current and resistance. And last option is voltage, current and resistance. All these three. So the correct option is option number D, which is voltage, current and resistance. Next question. Which law is used to analyze the conservation of electrical charge in a circuit? Option number A, Ohm's law. Option number B, Kirchhoff's voltage law. Option number C, Kirchhoff's current law. And last option is Faraday's law. And the correct option is option number C, which is Kirchhoff's current law. Fifth number question. Kirchhoff's voltage law is based on the principle of option number A. It's a very important question. In fact, this question was asked in last year midterms also. Option number A, conservation of energy. Option number B, conservation of charge. Option number C, conservation of power. And last option is conservation of voltage. Very confusing options will be given to you. And the correct option is option number option number A, which is conservation of energy. Next question. In a series circuit, how does the total resistance change as you add more resistors? Option number A, increases. Option number B, decreases. C number option stays as the same, and last option is depends on the resistor values. And the correct option is option number A, which is increases. Seventh number question. According to the voltage division rule, all the voltage division rule and the current division rule, both the rules are important. Go through both the rules before attempting your questions paper in the examination. Okay, how according to the voltage division rule, how is the voltage across a specific resistor in a series circuit is calculated? Option number A, V is equal to IR. Option number B, V is equal to R1 by R total into V total. Option number C, I by R. Option number D, I into R. And the correct option is option number B, which is V is equal to R1 by R total into V total. Eighth number question. This theorem helps simplify complex circuits by transforming them into an equivalent single resistor circuit. Very simple question. Option number A, Ohm's theorem. Option number B, Thevenin's theorem. Option number C, Norton's theorem. And last option is Kirchhoff's theorem. And the correct option is option number B, which is Thevenin theorem. Next question. The star delta transformation is primarily used to option number A, simplify parallel resistor network. Option number B, simplify series resistor network. Option number C, convert voltage source to current source. And last option is convert current source to voltage source. And the correct option is option number B, which is simplify series resistor network. 10th number question. Nodal analysis is a method for analyzing circuit that primarily applies to option number A, series circuit. Option number B, parallel circuit. C number option complex circuit, and last option is option number D, which is DC circuit only. And the correct option is option number C, which is complex network. Next question. The power dissipated in a resistor can be calculated using which formula? Option number A, P is equal to V into I. Option number B, P is equal to V square by R. Option number C, P is equal to I square into R. And last option is P is equal to V by I. And the correct option is option number B, which is P is equal to V square into R. Now the 12th number question. What is the SI unit of electrical capacitance? Option number A, ampere. Option number B, Faraday. Option number C, ohm. And last option is Henry. And the correct option is option number B, which is Farad is the SI unit of electrical capacitance. 13th number question. In a parallel circuit, the voltage across all components is option number A, the same. Option number B, different from each component. Option number C, equal to the current. Option number D is equal to the resistance. And the correct option is option number B, which is different from each component. Next question. The superposition theorem is applicable to circuits with option number A, only independent circuit. Option number B, only dependent source. Next option, both independent and dependent sources. And last option is neither independent nor dependent sources. And the correct option is option number C, which is both dependent and independent sources. Okay. Next question. Norton's theorem is used to simplify complex circuit into an equivalent what? Voltage source and resistor, current source and resistor, voltage source and capacitor, and last option is inductor and resistor. Correct option is option number B, which is current source and resistor. Next question. The maximum power transfer theorem states that the maximum power is transferred from a source to a load when the load resistance is what? Equal to the source resistance, 0, infinite, or half of the source resistance. And the correct option is option number A, which is equal to the source resistance. Next question. Which theorem allow you to find the equivalent resistance of a network as seen from two output terminals? Option number A, Thevenin's theorem. Option number B, Norton's theorem. Option number C, superposition theorem. And last option is Ohm's law. And the correct option is Thevenin's theorem. Next question. What is the formula for calculating electrical energy consumed in a circuit over time? Option number A, E is equal to V into I. Option number B, E is equal to P into T. Option number E, I into R. Option number C, C into V. And the correct option is option number B, which is equal to E is equal to P into T. In a DC circuit, an ideal voltage source, it's the second last question of this series. In a DC circuit, an ideal voltage source has option number A, 0 internal resistance, option number B, infinite internal resistance, and second last option, variable internal resistance, and D is no voltage. Correct option is 0 internal resistance. And the last question is, according to the current division rule, how is the current through a specific resistor in a parallel circuit calculated? Option number A, V by R. Option number B, R total by R into I total. Option number C, V into R. And last option is B into C. But before showing the answer of this question, please subscribe the channel. Please, please, please. It really motivates me to make such videos. Okay, I will make the videos of every subject if you subscribe the channel. Okay, and please share these videos in your class group also, please. So correct option is I is equal to R total by R into I total. Okay. So thank you so much for watching the videos. If you guys have enjoyed watching the videos, please do not forget to like the videos. Thank you so much. Bye bye guys.